Everyone thinks the best-selling ice cream machines are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cuisinart 2-quart ice cream maker. First up is the Cuisinart ice cream maker, priced at $88.99. This brushed chrome beauty caught my eye with its sleek design and fully automatic functionality. If you're after a quick way to whip up frozen desserts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double-insulated freezer bowl holds a generous 2 quarts, perfect for family gatherings or just a cozy night in. With a heavy-duty motor, you can have your ice cream ready in under 30 minutes. Imagine serving fresh, homemade treats without the hassle of ice and salt. Plus, the large ingredient spout lets you add mix-ins like chocolate chips or fruits easily. Now, some people complained about the motor being a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker for most, especially when you're busy enjoying your ice cream. If noise is a significant concern for you though, this might not be your best choice. This is perfect for you if you're a casual ice cream lover who wants simple and quick results at home. Skip this one if you're looking for more complex features or continuous use options. Now, if the Cuisinart's noise factor bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more advanced features. Product number 2, Winter 2.1 QT Ice Cream Maker. Next, we've got the Winter Ice Cream Maker with a price tag of $331.89. This machine stands out with its built-in compressor and LCD digital display. If you're serious about making ice cream, this one's definitely worth checking out. What's great about this machine is the self-cooling technology. It can churn out 2.1 quarts at a time, and its powerful compressor allows for continuous use. That means you can really indulge your creativity without being limited. Plus, the motor protection function prevents overheating, which is a nice touch. However, some users felt that the price is pretty steep for a home machine. Look, I get it, it's an investment. But if you're passionate about homemade ice cream and plan to use it often, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to craft gourmet ice cream at home. Skip this one if you're just dabbling and don't want to spend a lot up front. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list has similar features at a more budget-friendly price. Product number 3, Winter ICM 200 LS Ice Cream Maker. Our third pick is another model from Winter, the ICM 200 LS, priced at $269.99. At first glance, it looks a lot like the previous machine, but let's see what sets it apart. This maker also boasts self-freezing technology, eliminating the need for pre-freezing a bulky canister, which is super convenient. The user-friendly LCD control panel makes it easy to operate. You can make gelato, ice cream, or sorbet with ingredients you choose, which is perfect for customizing flavors. One downside I've seen mentioned is that cleaning can be a bit of a hassle due to the removable parts. But honestly, that's pretty standard for most ice cream makers. Plus, it comes with a BPA-free churn blade, so you know it's safe. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable ice cream maker without the highest price tag. Skip this one if you want features like an extended cooling function found in more expensive models. Now, if you're after something with even more variety, our next product might just blow you away. Product number 4, Cuisinart 1.5 quart ice cream maker. Fourth on our list is the Cuisinart 1.5 quart ice cream maker, retailing at $66.99. This compact unit is perfect for those who don't need a large capacity machine. If you want something simple and effective, this is definitely worth a look. With a double-insulated freezer bowl, this machine eliminates the need for ice, making it incredibly user-friendly. It can produce up to 1.5 quarts in just 20 minutes, which is perfect for satisfying those sudden ice cream cravings. The easy-lock transparent lid makes adding ingredients a breeze, so you can get creative without the mess. A few users mentioned that it might struggle with thicker mixtures like certain gelatos. Here's the thing though, for standard ice creams and sorbets, it performs exceptionally well. Just keep your expectations in check for thicker recipes. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to enjoy homemade ice cream without any fuss. Skip this one if you need something that can handle more complex recipes. Now, if you want a machine that can do it all, let's look at our final product. Product number 5, Green Pan Frost Ice Cream Maker. Last but not least is the Green Pan Frost Ice Cream Maker, priced at $249.99. This one really piqued my interest because it claims to do so much more than just ice cream. If variety is what you're after, this might be the one for you. The Frost machine can whip up everything from soft serve to slushies in as little as 15 minutes. It has a family-sized capacity of 2 quarts, perfect for gatherings. Plus, it features 6 different modes and 7 texture settings, giving you complete control over your frozen treats. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. However, some users noted that it can be a bit bulkier than expected. I'll be real with you, if you're short on kitchen space, this might be a consideration. But if you have the room, it offers so much versatility. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional machine that can handle a family's worth of frozen treats. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and straightforward. To wrap things up, each of these machines has its strengths, whether you're looking for simplicity, advanced features, or versatility. So there you have it. The Cuisinart models are perfect for quick and easy ice cream making, while the winter machines cater to serious ice cream enthusiasts. And if you want something that can handle a variety of frozen treats, the Green Pan Frost is a fantastic option. Choose based on what fits your needs best.